Upwork takes 10% from most freelancer contracts, while Fiverr takes 20% on standard gigs. That single difference changes how much money actually hits your bank account. By the end of this, you'll know which platform usually pays more, where each one wins, and which one makes more sense if you're starting from zero. Straight answer first. If you charge the same amount on both platforms, Upwork usually pays more, because the fee is lower. A $500 job on Upwork leaves you with $450 after fees. The same $500 on Fiverr leaves you with $400. That's the simple math. But payout isn't just about fees. First, look at how the work comes in. On Upwork, clients post jobs and freelancers send proposals. That means you're chasing work. The upside is project sizes are often bigger. It's common to see $500, $2,000, even $10,000 contracts in categories like web development, copywriting, and design. On Fiverr, you build gigs and wait for buyers. That means less pitching, but many beginners start with lower-priced offers like $20 or $100 to get reviews fast. So if you're asking who pays more per project, Upwork usually wins. Now look at speed. Fiverr can pay faster for beginners because the marketplace pushes your gigs once you get traction. A beginner with a simple logo gig might land 3 $50 orders in a week without sending a single pitch. On Upwork, you might send 20 proposals before landing your first contract. That takes time and connects, which cost money. That changes the math. If you spend $30 on connects to land a $200 project, your real profit drops. Now look at long-term earning. Upwork is stronger for repeat clients. Once a client trusts you, they can keep sending work without you restarting from zero. That's where freelancers build steady monthly income. Fiverr is stronger for productized services. Things like thumbnails, voiceovers, quick edits, and SEO audits fit better there because buyers know exactly what they're getting. So here's the breakdown. Upwork usually pays more per client because of lower fees and bigger contracts. Fiverr can make you money faster if your service is easy to package. Your next step is simple. If you sell custom high-ticket work, start on Upwork. If you sell fast, repeatable services, start on Fiverr. If this saved you time, hit like and subscribe for more freelance breakdowns.